Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools for your home and garden. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a game changer for your gutter maintenance, the gutter cleaning spoon and scoop by the Gutter Tool. If you've ever struggled with clogged gutters, you know how important it is to keep them clean and clear of debris. This tool is designed to make that job not only easier but also safer. The Gutter Tool stands out with its ergonomic design, allowing for a comfortable grip as you tackle those hard-to-reach areas. It attaches seamlessly to most extension poles, meaning you can clean your gutters from the safety of the ground without constantly repositioning a ladder. This feature alone can save you time and reduce the risk of accidents. What really sets the gutter cleaning spoon and scoop apart is its uniquely shaped hook. This innovative design allows you to pull debris out from under gutter hangers, ensuring you can clean every inch of your gutter system, even behind those pesky skylights and roof structures. With the ability to reach up to 20 feet, this tool is perfect for those with two-story homes or steep roofs. Made in the USA, the Gutter Tool is constructed from rugged, contractor-grade materials. It's built to withstand the rigors of tough cleaning jobs, so you can count on it season after season. Its durability makes it a solid investment for homeowners and contractors alike. Using the gutter cleaning spoon and scoop is straightforward. Simply attach it to your extension pole, and you're ready to go. As you work, you'll find that you can easily pull debris towards you, reducing the number of times you have to shift your position on the ladder. This tool is especially beneficial during the fall season when leaves tend to accumulate quickly. In conclusion, if you're looking for an efficient and reliable solution for gutter cleaning, the Gutter Tool's gutter cleaning spoon and scoop is an excellent choice. It combines innovative design with robust construction to deliver outstanding performance. So, if you want to save time, enhance your safety, and keep your gutters clean, this tool should definitely be in your arsenal. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the best products on the market. Until next time, keep your home and garden tools sharp.